This is Steve. Welcome back to the American Garage. I'm working on the Audi A8 today, and I've discovered a problem that I wanted to show to you. Seems to be an upcoming, more common problem, and I wanted to show you what we're dealing with. The wiring on the ABS module tends to go bad, and I've got some bad wires in here. Now, how did I discover that? I had three lights on my dash. I had the ABS light go on, I had the headlight pointing mechanism light go on, and I had the ESP light go on. And then they would go away, and then they would come back other times. So I knew there was an intermittent problem, obviously, and I wasn't quite sure how to deal with it, but I found that a lot of times this is happening and people are replacing their ABS unit, and then it doesn't solve the problem. So I did some more research, and I found that some people had found that their wires were going bad. So I wanted to alert you to this. This isn't really an instructional video today as much as it is identification of a problem. Okay, so in the troubleshooting, so if you have this problem, the first thing that you should do is to examine the wiring on the ABS harness. Now, after I unwrapped my harness, I discovered, especially these two pairs of wires, the insulation has just deteriorated to where they're just bare wires. So what I'm going to have to do is pull these wires, find where they're good, and splice in a new wire to fix this. While we're at it, I want to show you something. Now, normally you have this unit here, this little lever gets lifted and it unhooks the mechanism. Now, mine broke, okay? This just broke off, and so this is what I was left with. Now, if yours does that, I want to show you how this thing works. This unit has a little slide mechanism, and I'm going to slide it back in. Now, if yours breaks, you're going to have to get a screwdriver and slowly work this little slide mechanism out. It's easy for me to show you with it out of the car. Like that. Now, I'm going to show you where this unit is so you don't have to go looking for it. The plug unit is right down here. Now, if you have this problem, then you're going to have to take off the left wheel and the left inner fender liner out in order to be able to get at everything. Now, you'll pull the wire through like I have here and unwrap it. Now the wire harness goes up to the firewall, and I'm going to chase it back as far as I can until I get good wire. Now these are the days you probably wish you had someone like Diagnose Dan or Sarah Intune, who's the wiring guru, but don't be afraid of it. If you see a bad wire, just find where it's good and splice a new one in. Until next time, this is Steve from the American Garage. Thanks for watching the American Garage. If you like this video, hit the like button and leave your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.